Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Friends, I have a very important update for all of you. This is the latest and most important news for especially the teacher recruitment aspirants who are preparing for Gpstr, Hstr and KRIS. See, the Karnataka High Court has given an interim direction now, and based on that the government has issued a fresh order. This is dated 27th April 2026. Actually, earlier due to internal reservation, the SC reservation was increased from 15 to 17%, right? So because of this, the total reservation was going beyond 50% limit, right? So this is not allowed. So High Court has put a stay on that, and High Court has allowed to continue with the 15% reservation for now to maintain that 50% limit. Now after the cabinet meeting, the internal reservation was approved. There they have approved for the division, like for category A and B 5.25%, for category C 4.5%, right? So this was finalized in the cabinet. We all know that the government has approved 56,432 posts across the departments. Now this order, you can say, is the next step towards the recruitment process. Here you can see in point number 6 what they are telling. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಇಲಾಖೆಯು ಅನುಮೋದನೆ ನೀಡಿರುವ 56,432 ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳ ನೇರ ನೇಮಕಾತಿಗಾಗಿ ತುರ್ತು ಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರಗಳಿಗೆ ಸೂಚಿಸಿದೆ. So now it has been confirmed that the all recruiting authorities have been instructed to take urgent steps for direct recruitment to the posts which are already approved by the finance department. So now we can say that everything is ready, only you need to be ready now. See friends, this is not the time to wait. This is the time to start serious preparation. You need to open your books which you have closed long time back. You need to revise your notes. You need to practice the worksheets. You need to prepare with full focus now. Because when notifications are released, the process moves very fast. Those who are already prepared, they will have a lot of advantage. Remember, time and tide waits for no one. So those who delay may miss this opportunity. Okay. So friends, I know that many of you have already worked hard to reach this stage. Now you need to continue your effort without stopping. Even 1 or 2 hours of focused study every day, even that will make a lot of difference. Okay. So this is your opportunity. You have to make the proper use of this. And aspirants who are interested in taking our paid courses for teacher recruitment exams like Gpstr, Hstr and KRIS can message us in WhatsApp, or you can write us mail, or you can also join in the Telegram channel or Telegram group. You will get the links in the description below this video. We really hope that you are taking this update seriously. Please feel free to write in the comment section as well, and of course subscribe to our channel and share this video maximum to all your friends and other aspirants, and tell everyone to start preparing. Thank you. All the best. Bye.